The lecture, conducted by Professor Samuel John, a senior lecturer in engineering at NUST, focused on how green hydrogen research at universities can contribute to the development of sustainable energy solutions that complement the oil and gas sector in the country. Professor John says that the production of green hydrogen could have numerous spin-offs for the oil and gas industry.
Hydrogen is used in a very broad way in different sectors of industry. Ammonia is just one, and I'll talk about ammonia because that's the one that most of us are kind of familiar with. But we can also produce synthetic fuel. But also in the oil and gas sector, the refining of petrol uses hydrogen. So instead of using gray hydrogen, we can actually say to our oil and gas sector, you can set up a refinery here, yes, and we supply you green hydrogen for refining it. That already you are cutting down the CO2 from the process of producing the petrol or diesel.
Professor John says the University of Science and Technology has developed short courses to be able to support the skills that are needed for the green hydrogen industry.
We're going to now create a learning factory. What we mean by a learning factory is a simulated environment that is real for training staff. So if, for example, having said, okay, we've hired a couple of people, but they don't have any skills in the green hydrogen sector.
The oil and gas industry, according to Robert Mwanachilenga, the country general manager of Reconnaissance Energy, says Namibia has the potential to be positioned as an energy giant.
Namibia today is entering into a new era. This is an era of continued oil and gas exploration, but also, in addition to that, we're going to start development of oil fields in Namibia, offshore, and later on enter into production. The oil and gas industry has a capacity of turning the Namibian economy around, colleagues.
A panel discussion was also held on how the oil and gas sector can provide a new pathway for new employment opportunities while fostering innovations that will benefit all Namibians.